So there's not really any new content in what we're going to learn today. You'll see there's some reminders there at the top of the page. We have the sliding base that we learnt about. Y equals log a of x can change into x equals a to the power of y. And we also have a reminder of our change of base formula. So we're going to be using things that we've already learnt to apply to some situations, some word questions, okay? No new content though. So there's only one question here to look at. Number 1, a quantity Q is varying over time according to the formula Q equals 4 times 10 to the power of T over 2. That one. Okay, so our formula, Q equals 4 times 10 to the power of T over 2. All right, we want to find all of our answers correct to 4 significant figures, and we want to find Q when T is equal to 9. Okay, that's just going to be substituting into that formula. So Q equals 4 times 10 to the power of, it's T over 2, but T is 9. So it's 9 over 2. And you can just type that into your calculator. 4 times 10 to the power of, and you can put your fraction in there as well, 9 over 2 equals. Now it says to 4 significant figures though. So while you have that big long decimal there, 4 significant figures means I want the 1, the 2, the 6, and the 4, and I need to round everything off after that. Because the next number after the 4 is a 9, I'm going to have to round up. So it'll be 1, 2, 6, 5, and I will need to put a couple of zeros in there to keep my place value. Okay, so 126,500. Part B, rewrite the formula with T as the subject. Okay, so rearranging that equation. First of all, I'm going to have to divide the 4 across to the other side. So that's Q over 4 equals 10 to the power of T over 2. That's the original equation that I'm working with. To get the T by itself, that's the goal. I don't like having it up there as a power, so I'm going to have to do a sliding base. So that means it's going to turn into a logarithm. It's going to be a log base 10, because it's a base 10, it slides across the other side, of the Q over 4 equals the T over 2, the power. Then finally, to get the T by itself, I just have to times the 2 across. So T equals 2 log base 10 of Q over 4. Now there obviously is other things that you could do to that. You could split that with the division there, but since it's a log base 10, it's actually very usable the way it is at the moment, so we're just going to leave it there. Part C, find T when Q is equal to 289. So now that I have my rearranged formula for T equals, I just have to sub Q into that new formula. T will equal 2 log base 10 of the 289 over 4. And because it's a log base 10, like I said, that is one that we can type into our calculator and get 4 significant figures. So 2 times log base 10, and I need a fraction, 289 over 4. Okay, so 4 significant figures. I want the 3, 7, 1, 7, but the last 7 there will round up to become an 8. So 3.718. Okay, that's it. That's all you're doing. Like I said, no new content in there, just applying it in a slightly different way.